What's going on, all my internet friends? And today what we are doing is we're waiting in this horrendous line because Courtney wants Arby's and I said I've never had it, so I guess we're gonna wait here. Throw down in the comments if you guys ever had Arby's and tell me if it's worth waiting in this line, because there's about 10 or 12 cars in front of me because it goes all the way around the building. And I know by the time this video goes up I'll already know the answer, but I want to know your guys' answer. Like, is Arby's good or is Arby's bad? But today we have a lot planned. I'm very excited. We are pimping out the Rodknock mansion and I'm very excited about it. And there's a dude coming with a car to possibly trade for the G37. It's not a Civic, but I've always wanted one of these and I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. I'm just gonna go check it out. Like, he said he can't trade today. I said I don't want to trade today. So we're just gonna go look at each other's cars and we're gonna go from there. But we need to go to Walmart. We need to buy some shit because it is Pimp Rodknock's mansion today. Here we go. So just got at Arby's. Wasn't the worst thing, wasn't the best in the world. I'm gonna tell you right now, if I had to wait in that line, I would have been pretty upset because now I feel like a greasy fat slob. What do you think, Courtney? You feel like a greasy fat slob right now?
I do, yeah.
Oh, it's disgusting. I mean, honestly, I'd rather just got too many chickens from McDonald's and call it a day. But anyways, we are at Walmart. Time to pimp the house out. Check it out. This is how Courtney and I roll. Right, Courtney?
Damn straight.
I'm sitting on this. I'm searing this. We need 2 carts at Walmart. Not 1, not 3. We need 2 carts at Walmart. Ow, Courtney. Okay, you're done. You're punished. We're getting a pool today. You ready, Courtney? You didn't fold that. 3, 2, 1, go. What?
You're crushing my fingers.
All right, Courtney, guide us.
Okay, you need to pull this one to me.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
This size more. Yeah, probably need one.
Courtney and that guy was too weak. Sorry, Courtney, you couldn't do it.
I mean, he couldn't either, so.
Which, I mean, I don't know why. I mean, it's heavy, but it's not that heavy.
Well, I'm just saying.
Courtney has to have the biggest one. She wanted the biggest. We can get that nice 18 feet around.
You want the biggest too, don't?
No, not true, because it's going to take 2 years to fill up.
Well, it's gonna be worth it in the end.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
I'm trying on helmets.
I like this helmet. You should use it.
Ow!
Sorry.
Stop. Don't mess with the spikes.
Yeah, sorry. What the fuck? So we got the pool, and when you get a pool, you gotta get a trampoline at the same time. So we got the trampoline, we got the pool. We also have something set up in the backyard as well. You ready, Courtney?
Ready.
Let's get out of here. Poor guy. Here we go. Yeah! Hell yeah, that's good. Thank you. This is it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna ratchet strap this and hopefully we don't get pulled over. Okay, so we got the pool on the roof and we're sitting here like, why are the doors locked? Like, the car's running and everything should be good. And Courtney's like, I'm unlocking, I'm trying to open the door. And we realize the ratchet strap is holding the door down. So this pool is definitely 100% not going anywhere. Courtney, you want to film me getting in?
Yeah.
Here we go. I got like Michael Jackson type pants on. You ready to roll?
I'm so ready.
Let's go. Well, Alex says he's in the backyard right now. He has no idea what we bought, but I told him that I need help desperately. What the hell is he doing back here?
Our badminton.
Yo!
I guess we're both being lawnmowers today, huh?
Wait, what are you doing? Oh, shit, what are you doing over here? Why don't you just use the garage? This dude, instead of working in the garage, he parked in our fucking forest.
Well, it's just like
yes.
back home in Connecticut. I'm used to working outside.
I know we need to cut the grass. I'm working on it. I want to buy a tractor. They're all $1,000, and instead I just spent $1,000 on a pool and a trampoline.
Get a push mower. I'll fucking sit out here and mow the lawn for like hours.
It is fun. You ready to build a pool? He's ready. He's fucking ready. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm stoked.
Hell yeah. Okay, we're about 20 minutes into this thing. I'm sweating bullets. Pools. It says 3 easy steps. Flatten, build, fill. Well, we flattened. This is how, kinda. It says leave no wrinkles, but I don't really know how to not leave wrinkles. We're gonna hook up the piping and go from there. I have no idea what we're doing. Hey guys, welcome to Florida, home of swamp ass, sweaty armpits, smelling like Cool Ranch Doritos and palm trees in your backyard. 30 minutes later, we got the top done. So we got the whole ring around. Me, Alex, Courtney have been grinding. Courtney's laying on the boxes. She's had enough. She's been handing me parts and stuff, and she can't take it no more. So I think me and Alex are gonna be taking the rest here. But I think now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just stretch it out, make sure there's no crinkle in the middle. We're gonna start to put the legs on. Let's do it. Okay guys, well, she's looking like a pool now. It's not the most even thing in the world, but you know, we don't have any like excavator or escalators or anything crazy like that. So escalator. I think we're gonna set up the filter and we're just gonna start filling this thing and then we can build the trampoline. Hell yeah. Today is all about Bob the Builder. Can we do it? What is it?
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can! Got some really good news and I got some really bad news. Really good news is the pool's done. Really bad news is it's Sunday. We can't call anyone to fill this fucker up. So we have a hose, a 100-foot hose. And yeah.
He didn't think it through.
This is it, man. I mean, Alex, we can go get water bottles. Just putting the water bottles in, we could probably fit 1,000. More than 1,000, easily. I'm thinking 10,000 water bottles.
As long as you're paying.
Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, go buy a 26-foot pool and see how many water bottles you can fit in it. Go comment on his videos and tell him Rice and Miata has a challenge for him because he'll do it. But I'll be sitting here. Well, actually, I'm gonna go build the trampoline because trampolines are fun. All right, guys, so the yard is an absolute pigsty right now. No one really cares about the trampoline but me. So I've been building it by myself, which absolutely sucks, and I actually kind of messed up, but I have to go meet the guy with the car. He wants to trade his car for my G37. It's not a Civic, I told you guys that, but he's just coming so he can look at my car, and I can look at his. Nothing's like official yet. I just want to check it out, and I've always wanted one of these cars, so give it a little test drive, see what it's made of, and go from there. But me and Courtney, if she hurries up, I want to get some ice cream first. I want Carvel, and she doesn't seem to be coming fast. Ooh, that sounded weird, coming fast.
I bitch. I do not sniff it to roll it. No. It do not chew when I pull it. No. I do not run, I reload it.
Put in the comments, who do you think sings this? I couldn't believe it when Courtney told me, but it sucks, but fuck it. Hi, bitch.
Hi, bitch.
Hi, bitch. Hi, bitch. Don't fucking see money. I don't want to give her any money. Fuck that. Throw it in the comments who it is. All right, guys. So we got Ryan here. He's got a 350Z. What? Oh, did you say Brian? Yeah. Oh, his name's Brian. I'm an asshole. But he's got a 350Z here. You guys know I've always wanted one of these. Obviously, the G37 is nicer than 350Z. I'm sorry, Brian. Sorry to say that. But he is offering. Jesus Christ, dude. It's so loud.
Sorry about that.
Rev it up.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Where's the exhaust?
At my house. I had to take it off yesterday.
You had to take the exhaust off.
Yeah, it fell on the floor. It's all fine though, but if I'm keeping it, I'm gonna fix it obviously.
So Brian's kind of fuck me a little here. You know what I mean? Because he wants to take his wheels, and you see, if you look at the G, back bumper. If you look at this, front bumper. What's going on, Brian? You need to help me out here. I definitely like it, but I would, if we were to trade, I would definitely want to keep the wheels.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I love those.
That's the game changer right there for you.
Yeah. Honestly.
Well, I'm gonna show him around my car. I'm gonna go for a drive in this. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we're taking a ride in Brian's seat. The first thing is the seat doesn't move back and forth. So I mean, Brian's a little taller than me, so I gotta. So you said drift it, right?
No, don't drift it.
Is that power steering?
It's a little rough.
Dude, this thing's loud.
It's my daily, so like.
Roberto's here. Here, look in there real quick. Don't be an asshole. Someone's calling. I do like the shift knob.
Yeah, I have to get something to incorporate my BMX days. I feel bad because it's so loud. It seems unhealthy, but like I swear to God, like it's good.
Man, we're gonna get the cops called on us driving this fucking thing.
It feels like like a different car with the exhaust.
Does it?
I swear to God.
I will say, I personally like the way this drives better than the G. I don't know why, I just don't like the G37.
Honestly, I don't like the car either, but like I said, I was gonna...
Hold up. That heel toe.
I don't know how to do that.
I always try like practicing a bunch of different cars to like get me used to it. Oh man. Yo, what do you think?
I'm confused.
Hey, come right here real quick.
It's only been 1 day since the...
How do you like that exhaust sound, dude?
Pretty into it. I mean, what engine's in it?
It sounds like a fucking Mustang, a 4.6. He has a Mustang, a 4.6. It just sounds just like it.
Yeah, no, this thing definitely needs an exhaust.
No, I'll give you the exhaust.
So Brian's being a
I don't know
fucking
where to go.
asshole right now. Go wherever you want, dude. Just don't go on the road. You know what I want you to do? How good of a driver are you?
Pretty good driver.
Pretty
Is that
good.
from just
Alright,
the
take a
brake
left.
stuff?
Yeah, the brake. It needs
sitting for a while.
pads.
Rotors
Rotors and
good?
pads.
Did you buy rotors?
I did, but they haven't come in yet. All right, so stop right here.
Does it do burnouts?
That's what we're gonna do, my friend. Well, kind of a burnout. Where is the?
Right here.
So put it in first.
I know how to do it.
Okay. Well, you're gonna launch it. Don't do a burnout.
Launch it?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get more straight then.
This is gonna be the best test drive of your life, dude.
Oh, shit, I'm
I
scared.
want you to fucking bash in the second. I don't want you to be a pussy about it, okay? This is pressure.
Should I keep traction control on?
No. What? Spin
ready?
him.
Keep on traction.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, all right, you better go, because someone's about to come. Here we go. No, hold it to the ground, dude. Whoa, stop. No, redo.
Higher?
You didn't hold it to the ground. It's got
Just
fucking
mat
launch
it?
control,
Mat
bro.
it?
Mat it.
Oh, wait.
To the ground, and then dump it. There you go. Now go. Not bad, right? She moves. Now, if you had to race the 350 to the to the G37, what would win? I would turn right
I
here.
feel
Don't
like
go up here. Okay.
Turn right here?
Yeah, no, do a U-turn back here, buddy.
Oh, shit.
All right, guys, so sadly, Brian and I, we cannot make a deal. Honestly, I told him 4K on top. Whether some of you think that's high or not, I think that's a little cleaner than that. You can agree, Brian?
Mechanically, the car runs great.
Yeah.
It's just like,
I mean, no, I'm not bashing it. Like, honestly, dude, I like your car. Like, driving it, like, made me want a 350Z. Just, I like the seating position. I just like how they drive in general. But I just can't justify trading that for this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Especially because you want to keep your wheels. So, then I'd have to put those on, and then I wouldn't even like the car anymore. But on to the next trade. If you guys want to possibly trade for the G, message me on Instagram. Hit it up. So Roberto, for some reason, he wants a piece of the Civic. He thinks he's gonna beat it with his 300ZX. You think, huh?
Pretty positive.
And he's so positive that he's leaving these suckers on. These bald ass tires.
I'm giving you 2 handicaps.
Yeah, what? The one right here.
Old tires.
Yeah.
And stock boost.
Stock boost. Actually, okay, I'm just being an asshole. I know the Z is way faster than the Civic, but I think it's going to be interesting to see what the Civic can handle, you know? I want to get like a good baseline, you know?
Yeah, of
If I
course.
get smoked, I'll go down and step in a car.
And also, this is part 1 of the challenge.
Part 1.
There's the getting stuck challenge. There's the not getting stuck challenge.
Well, we can't do that yet because I'm not fully dialed. Like, I want to go lower, man.
We got stuck. This is prep work. We're prep working.
Prep working.
We got to do the bump stop challenge,
Mm-hmm.
driveway challenge.
Oh, Jesus.
The
Speed bump?
There's so many challenges.
Yeah.
So many challenges.
Well, anyways, guys, Marcus, thank you, Marcus, so much. He finished building the trampoline, so we're going to go back home. I'm just going to go take a look at it and just smile, and let's go home. For the people on the internet wondering, yes, Little Ricer is still alive. He's got a clean fish bowl. Isn't that right, Little Ricer? You hungry? You want some food, Little Ricer? Anyways, guys, trampoline, total bust. If you're at Walmart and you see a nice $200 trampoline, like, wow, that's pretty cheap. Like, I really want a trampoline. Like, maybe I should get this one. Don't do it. That thing sucks. It barely bounces. It feels like it's already broken. Hopefully, you just have to break it in. But I'm very bummed about it. Like, you can like barely do like a front flip or back flip on it. But anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little Rodknock mansion upgrade. Tomorrow, I'm gonna call a pool place. I wanna get it filled because let me tell you, that hose was running all day and it didn't even leave a dent. So we're not going to do that. And actually, our neighbor came and talked to us because he saw that we were building a pool, and he gave us some pointers on how to do everything right. And he said, yeah, we actually did the same thing, and it took 2 days. So I'm not really going to deal with that. So anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more, and I will see you tomorrow. Actually, daily vlog's coming back. I just need a few days off, and I'm ready to roll again. Peace.